Do you know there are 6 kinds of protein available when it comes to plant protein on My Protein store? Vegan protein blend, soy protein, show you this one, pea protein, this one, rice protein, hemp protein, and there is another one called clear vegan whey protein. That's amazing. I already tried. Hopefully in future video, I will review one of them. So today I'm going to compare these two protein, which you can see here, pea protein isolate and soy protein isolate. And I'm not going to get into any details or any science shit. I'll keep it to the point and the benefit that I'm getting from using them for last several months now. If you like this video, please smash that like and subscribe button. Let's get started. So what's the difference between soy and pea protein? A great choice for vegans, and soy got 26 gram of protein per serving. However, pea protein got a little less in numbers. They got 22 to 23 grams of protein per serving. So that's the only difference. And since they're both isolate, as you can see here, it's a great replacement from whey protein, milk whey. People who are lactose intolerant, that I am one of them. I haven't been using milk protein for at least last 7 years. So these are bad boys after pre-workout, sorry, post-workout, breakfast, whenever you like it. Now, when it comes to mixability, let's do a quick test in front of the camera, and I'll show you how exactly the mixing goes, if they are easy to mix or if there is any lumps. For the soy protein, I got ice latte, you can see here, ice latte. And for the pea protein, it's strawberry. You'd soon be able to know which one tastes best. So let me quickly put 1 scoop each of soy and pea. So basically 1 scoop weighs 30 grams, and you get 27 grams from the ice latte one. And pea protein has the same serving size, 30 grams. However, the protein unit is 20 to 23 grams. Right, let's give a quick mix. Let me shake this up. Oh, you're fine. So as you can see, the mix is quite well. There's absolutely no lump. Still, the pea or the pea protein sometimes leave a bit of lump if you don't mix it well. Otherwise, this mixes really well. Tastes great. Oh shit. Ton of mess around here. So when it comes to taste, they have improved the taste as well. They both have almost zero sugar in them. I mean, they've got zero sugar. From both the category, they absolutely has no sugar in them. And you can only taste the flavor. So when it comes to the ingredients, it got soy protein isolate, which is 94%. It has added flavorings and sweetener called sucralose. That's basically it, and nothing else in this. Let's see the other one, the pea protein, what it was. So pea protein isolate, in per serving you get 92%. It has natural flavorings plus vegetable creamer, which is high. It also contains high oleic sunflower oil. I have no idea. Anyway, sunflower oil is not good for health, so I don't know what kind of bioengineering they have done into this. And got some natural flavoring plus antioxidant. And it has the color is not strawberry. It's not a real strawberry color. Instead, they have added beetroot red. And then a thickener, xanthan gum. Wow, that has a ton of shit in it. And again, it has artificial sweeteners, which is sucralose. That's it, basically. So this has more shit in it compared to the soy protein, which only got 3 ingredients. So that's quite interesting. I haven't checked the label before. This is the first time doing the product review. I gone into the ingredients minutely. Interesting. So in terms of the taste, I will give 10 on 10 of this. When you basically what I do in the breakfast, I make a milkshake. What you can say, if you have seen my previous videos, I have added some milkshake tricks how to make a great tasting protein shake in the morning, which wherein I add one banana, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and 2 scoops of oats, and then blend it well, and then chug it down. So otherwise, even after post workout, it tastes really great. For this, I never attempt to take in my breakfast. I'll be honest to you, the taste is awful. However, since I was doing a product comparison, I wasn't doing a flavor comparison here. Otherwise, they would become very unparalleled. So what I do, I basically take this as a post-workout and add 2 to 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, which dramatically changes the flavor, make it more on the chocolate side. So that's a kind of a hack I do every time. So to be honest, I'm not buying the strawberry flavor again in my life. So yeah, I just need to go through it. So as you can see, this is going really fast. This is quite heavy, which means I'm hardly consuming it. I'm only doing it on my workout days. Otherwise, I don't even remember it exists. So both of them, every serving will give you at least 107 to 108 calories, which is quite low, I think, compared to any, what do you call them? Weight gainer, where we get up to 400 to 500 calories. So if you're one of those guys, me, who are more conscious into calorie consumption, so this isolate is best. If you ask me which one to buy here, that would be very tricky. For if I have to be realistic, I would say go for the soy protein, because it has very few ingredients in them, and the protein profile is quite better. It got 27 to 28 gram. That's 27 gram protein, one serving. One serving weighs 30 grams, so almost 97%. And this one got 22, 23 gram. So if you quite particular about the protein content, this wins and this fails badly, and in terms of flavor. And also, I think the vegans would prefer it more, because there are some people who are also intolerant to soy. So this is purely 100% friendly for vegans. So that could be handy if people, specifically for viewers who are vegan, you can give it a try. There are a ton of flavors in this category also available, but yeah, avoid the strawberry one. I have bought plant-based protein from various companies like Protein Works, Bulk. You have seen is quite also a famous brand these days in the UK. But My Protein, I think that this company is growing. This is really a great company, and I save a ton of money when I have to compare to On, because until up to a few years ago, I used to buy only my supplements from On, and they are very expensive, and you hardly get sale on them. But My Protein, I think they are giving a very tough competition to On already. I have a feeling I have seen many athletes and bodybuilders from US reviewing My Protein supplement, where On is more famous in the US. So yeah, this is definitely giving a tough competition, and their quality is also quite great. So you hardly find any complaints. If there are complaints I have seen, they always try to improve, and they take those products which has more complaints off the shelf. I think there were some few complaints on Zedame, and Zedame is still unavailable. I think they are still trying to improve the product type. I would say soy protein is best. pea protein, it's okay. And always, even in India, if you are viewers for watching from India, my protein is getting famous over there. I do not know about the discount, how the discount is being offered. However, in the UK, every other week there are discounts going on. So that's it, guys. Hope you have enjoyed the video. It was a quick one. If you like the video, smash that like and subscribe button, and I'll try to bring you in another nice and handy one soon. Thanks for joining Mr. Natural Banana. Cheers.